So right here we have the code. We have the drawing portion. We have here the fired portion, like the running of the code. We have how you draw the paper. My battery needs to be saved. Down here we have the sweeping voltage, droplet charge, uncharged time, and total time from 2000 volts to negative 2000 volts. Now, um, to be visible to the viewers, I have gone ahead and moved everything to be visible. So whenever I call for voltage, it shows 2 volts to negative 2 volts. That is due to, of course, me having to scale everything down. So whenever showing you, I scale it back up by 1,000. The same goes for the time. The time was scaled down by 10, or scaled up by 10, so it takes 10 times longer than it should. So I divided by 10, and then I also added some extra time because rounding happens, and the Python decides that it wants to lose a couple of milliseconds, or it loses a couple milliseconds when it's converted into seconds. So when it gets converted to milliseconds, you lose a lot of milliseconds. So I added those back. Now let's view the code. So we're going to run it. So for the first spacebar press, you see the uncharged droplet going across the screen. It took about 0.151 milliseconds. Now we're going to watch the sweep. It goes from 2000 to negative 2000 volts at 250 volt steps. The same goes for the graph. It goes from 2000 to negative 2000. This time it's 1000 volt steps. Well, the y-axis is in steps of 1000. And you can see that the milliseconds that happen, it goes from 0 to 2.2 milliseconds, but it does go a little off screen, so it's around 2.58 milliseconds that the total time takes for the letter I to be drawn. Thank you very much.